Guys, today's video is on Margex Exchange. I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on them, and they're currently also offering a great incentive for people to basically start using the exchange. They're offering a 20% deposit bonus. So if you deposit $1,000, you'll get $200 completely for free. Basically, your account will be at $1,200. You can basically trade with that money. So it's free money. The link is in the video description. Sign up to Margex. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all of the features, show you how to open a trade, how to close a trade, the copy trading side of it, staking. We're going to go over everything in today's video. Okay, guys. So as you can see along the top here, you can basically buy cryptos. You can purchase the amount USD to Bitcoin, top coins to buy here, top stable coins to buy. You can basically buy any coins. They've got hundreds of different cryptocurrencies on their exchange. Now, if we go along to the trade section, you basically open a trade, very, very simple. You've got limit orders, you've got market, you've got stock market. Just for example, you can do basically cross or isolated. If you're doing a cross trade, that basically means all of your positions are under the same margin. If you do an isolated trade, that means you need to manage the risk for each position. So if one goes bad, it doesn't affect the other ones. It's basically isolated positions. Then you can obviously put how much of your account you want to risk per trade. You've got here, you can do obviously the leverage, or like 100x, 50x, 25x, whatever it is. Once you fill in this and fill out that, then obviously you can change that bit there. And then you've got your open positions, your active orders, position history, and order history. And the interface actually with this exchange is like super like user friendly, basically, especially for beginners. It's so easy to use. And then you've obviously got different time frames. You've got the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 minute. You can basically play about with that. You've got indicators. You've got the candlesticks. You can change the colors or the patterns or whatever. You can do like line charts or use traditional candlesticks. And then you can manage it from here as well in terms of quick opening. What's really good with this as well is you've got price alerts. So if you're a trader, you're gonna know you don't wanna chase the trade, you wanna wait for it to come to your entry. So you can basically set a price alert. If you wanna enter Bitcoin at $60,000 to long it, you can basically put a price alert, or you can obviously open it in terms of the limit, but you can put price alerts to notify you when the coin or token goes to that price. Okay, so let's go on to copy trading. Now you've got the leaderboard here. If you're a trader and you want to set up your own copy trader, your community or friends or family to basically follow your trades, just click on create your strategy. You can set it all up, and you can obviously go on tutorials as well if you need any help setting that up. This is the leaderboard here. So if you don't trade and you want to follow a trader, you can basically pick a trader from the leaderboard and click follow. Now I'm going to go on this guy as an example, the second one. Now, this is basically what to look for. So they're down 18.77% in their last week, okay? But if you zoom out, in the last month, they're basically 100%. If we go to the last year, they're up 707%. So what you really have to do is when you basically, if you do want to do the copy trading, just make sure you're managing the risk, because they might have a bad month where they're down like 100%, but then over the year, they're up 700%. So just put a small amount in, play around with it, make sure you're managing risk. What you don't want to do is go all in, and that's basically the losing month that they're having out of the whole year. So you come in, you lose all of your money, but then the rest of the year they're basically profitable. So if you are going to do the copy trading, just make sure you manage obviously the risk. You can go down and you can see all of the details in terms of the so the trader share, the follower share, and then obviously the week, the month, the trades have taken over the year, and then basically all time. So if you are going to do the copy trading, just make sure you do a bit of research on it and really go through the trader to make sure overall, say over the space of a year or 2 or 3 years, they are profitable. You don't want to copy someone that say just started and they might have a winning week and then they just blow your account basically. And before we continue with the rest of today's video, the link to Margex is in the video description. You'll get a 20% deposit bonus if you use that link. So if you deposit $1,000, you'll get $200. If you deposit $2,000, you'll get $400, and so on. Now, this is your wallet section. It's fairly self-explanatory, but I'm going to go over it anyway. You've got deposit here. If you want to put crypto in, you can buy crypto there like fiat. You can withdraw and you can basically convert crypto. So if you've got, for example, USDT and you want to get USDC, it's best to convert, not to sell it, because if you sell it, you're going to have more fees. When you convert it, the fees are like minimal. So it's so much better. And then you've got your staking options as well. Let's go on to staking. So for instance, USDT, you get 7%. So for example, basic maths, you put in $100,000, you're staking it, you'll get $7,000 over the year. USD coin, USDC, sorry, 7%, Ethereum 7%, Binance USD 7%, and Bitcoin, you'll get 6%. And then you can basically calculate your earnings through the staking there. So guys, that is a basic tutorial on Margex Exchange. They're very easy to use and the interface is brilliant. So I definitely recommend it for new people in the space, even existing people. Like it's just one click, boom, you open a trade. So yeah, the link's in the video description. Make sure you sign up. You get a 20% deposit bonus. They're also running a trading competition as well. So I'm not sure the prize, but I think it's $1,000. You can check on the website, and it's basically done on volume. So the more you trade, the more likely you are to basically win. And then they have a leaderboard, bits like that. So go check it out. I'll put the links to the video description, and I'll see you guys soon.